Hello, welcome back to my channel. We have previously learned about profit and loss, what they are, and how to calculate them. Today, we are going to take one step further and learn about profit and loss percentage. Are you ready? Let's go. Before we start, let's quickly recap. Remember, profit happens when you sell something more than it costs you. That is, when the selling price is greater than the cost price. While loss happens when you sell something less than it costs you. That is, the cost price is greater than the selling price. We calculated profit and loss using these formulas. For profit, profit equal to the selling price minus the cost price, while loss equal to the cost price minus the selling price. Don't forget these formulas because we will be needing them in calculating profit and loss percentage. That's simple, right? Now, let's see how we can find the percentages. So let's go into profit and loss percentage. The percentage is obviously a part of 100, that is, taking something out of 100. Profit and loss percentage shows us how much profit or loss was made compared to the cost price. So when you're told to find profit or loss percentage, you're simply being told to compare your profit or your loss with the cost price. The formula for profit percent is simply equal to your profits over your cost price multiplied by 100%, while loss percentage is equal to your loss over your cost price multiplied by 100%. You might want to ask that why are we dividing by cost price in both formulas? It's because we are comparing the profit or the loss with the cost price. Okay, let's take some examples. James bought a toy car for $50 and sold it for $65. Did he make a profit or loss? Calculate the percentage. Firstly, we need to write out what we are given. So we have our cost price to be $50 because that is the amount that he bought the toy car. Then he sold it, which is the selling price, for $65. For us to determine if it's profit or loss, the selling price is greater than the cost price, meaning that it's a profit. Don't forget, when your selling price is greater than your cost price, that's simply profit. So how much profit did he make first? The profit, which is the selling price minus the cost price, is simply equal to $65 minus $50, and that's $15. Then, to find my profit percentage, which can be written in short form like this, that's just simply your profit. So, what's our profit over the cost price multiplied by 100% over 1? So, what's our profit in this case? That's $15 over the cost price, which is $50 multiplied by 100% over 1. Dollar will take out dollar. So if I multiply fractions, I'll have 1500 divided by 50. Don't forget your percentage symbol. I can also take out the zeros, so I simply have 150 divided by 5. 5 in 15 is 3, 5 in 0 is 0, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we are simply left with 30%. So it means that John made a 30% profit. Let's dive into question 2. Sarah bought a dress for $120 and sold it for $90. Did she make a profit or loss? Calculate the percentage. So firstly, I'll write out what we are given. Our cost price, which is the amount she bought the dress, is $120, and our selling price, which is the amount she sold the dress, is $90. Now, because our cost price is greater than the selling price, it means that she has made loss. Don't forget, when your cost price is bigger than your selling price, you have made loss. So she has made a loss. Now let's find out how much loss she made. That would just simply be cost price minus selling price, which is $120 minus $90. So she made a loss of $30. But we want to find out what percentage of loss she has made compared to the cost price. So to find my percentage loss or my loss percentage, written in short like this, loss over cost price multiplied by 100% over 1, which is $30, which is my loss, over the cost price, which is $120, multiplied by 100% over 1. So dollars will take out dollars. If I do my multiplication, I'll have 3,000 divided by 120. Don't forget your percentage symbol. Now, let's reduce this fraction to the lowest term. 0 will take out 0. Now, what can divide 312? So I can decide to divide by 4. 30 divided by 4 is 7, with a remainder of 2. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3. I will also take it further to the lowest term. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 7 divided by 3 is 2 with a remainder of 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we are left with 25 over 1, which is simply 25%. So Sarah has made a loss of 25%. It's practice time. So I need us to pause the video and try out this practice question. A shopkeeper bought a batch of apple for $200 and sold them for $250. Calculate the profit percent. Another question. A book was purchased for $75 and sold for $60. What is the loss percentage? One more question to try. John bought a bicycle for $300 and sold it at a loss of $45. Calculate the loss percentage. Let me know your answers in the comments below. Great job today. Now you know how to calculate profit and loss percentages. If you want to review profit and loss again, check out our previous video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'd never miss a lesson. See you next time. Keep calculating and stay awesome. Bye for now.